Hey guys, how are you, and welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new to my channel, my name is Emma and welcome to my channel. I make videos about my 4C bleached hair, so I'm just that crazy girl that likes hair with a little bit of color. However, when you bleach your hair, you need to understand that your hair becomes very weak, very brittle, very damaged. So bleached hair needs some extra TLC. So I make videos about how I take care of my hair, how I do my protective styles, everything about my hair journey. So if that is something that you might be interested in, kindly consider subscribing. So in today's video, you guys, as you can see, my hair is looking like a hot mess. I just wanted to show you guys how I moisturize my hair. So what I have in here is my bergamot and placenta mixture and some argan oil as well in it. So I just going to take that and spray it into my hair. So after I am done with my bergamot spray, I take, this is my hair, it's a hair repair cream. Well, you can use any hair butter, honestly, but I've been loving this. This is called Hair Wonder. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's really, I love how it feels on my hair. I buy it in Randburg. If you're in South Africa, I buy it in some Indian hair shop in Randburg, if you are maybe interested in trying it. So after massaging this into my hair, I take my oil as well. So I just take a generous amount of the oil and I massage that through. So you just work that through in sections so that your hair is well saturated, but a little goes a long way. Honestly, you don't want to have too much product on your hair, so just be careful. So if I want to give my hair a break, I don't want to stress my hairline so much, what I do is I now take my satin, this is my satin doek. This is the Love Kink brand. I love this. So you guys, my secret to keeping my hair moisturized for longer, it is this satin doek. Like, it's totally worth the money. Okay, I used to think like, oh my god, that is so much for a doek, I can't spend so much money on a doek. But ever since I bought this, you guys, this is the secret. After doing your lock method, I used to find that if I do my lock method and then I would do my twist and then just leave my hair, I used to sleep with just any doek or a pulling socks. Let me tell you guys, my hair would just wake up in the morning and it's dry. The satin bonnet helps, you guys. It helps retain the moisture. It stays your hair, it stays moisturized for a while. Like, ever since I've bought this satin bonnet, I've now just been re-moisturizing my hair like once a week. It used to be every second day. Sometimes, if not every day, my hair will still be waking up and it's dry. So I used to have this ordinary doek, you know, like every African woman has just like some random ordinary doek. Like, let me tell you, this doesn't help. My hair used to get so dry quickly. But a satin bonnet is honestly the much better way to keep the moisture locked in your hair. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, do you also use the satin bonnet, and how do you find it? Either satin bonnet or satin doek, let me know how do you find it. But that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.